So just for the comparison, we have an Apple Watch with us right now, and I would like to show you how does the connectivity differ on these two watches. This is an affordable smartwatch, and this is something which is very premium. Again, if you hold both of these in your hand, you can easily see the difference that the build quality is much better on the Apple Watch, and it feels like a very premium device compared to this one. Although this one compared to other smartwatches which are available in the market, I can say that this one has good build quality. They have used metal over here, and at the back side as well it is metal, and they have painted it with something over there. In terms of the overall build quality, it is good. In terms of functionality, it is definitely a plus compared to Apple Watch, which is definitely a very costly device. And this one gives you voice calling, you can reply to your SMS, you also have support for SD card, you also have a camera over there. So in case these features actually attract you, or in case you would like to have these features on your smartwatch, then you can actually go for this one, because this is not only a smartwatch, but it is kind of a smartphone which runs on Android KitKat, and you have camera support over there. You can take photos and videos as well. You can record high definition video from this device, from the 5 megapixel camera. We have these buttons over there with which you can control the functionality. We have a slot over there which can take a micro SIM inside, and you can also insert a micro SD memory card as well. And all these things are not supported on the Apple Watch, but this is definitely a very premium device compared to this one. The display quality is also better over there on the Apple Watch, and definitely it comes for a bigger price, so it has to be like this. But in comparison, I would say this feels a lot like Apple Watch in terms of design. So iRift, the Intex iRift watch, definitely feels a lot like Apple Watch, but it is not the Apple Watch, and it is definitely a very different device in terms of the build quality and features as well. So this is all we have as far as the quick comparison of these two smartwatches right now. This is especially for the masses and for those who are attracted by these features like camera, and you have a bigger battery as well, which is 600 milliampere as compared to 200 something milliampere battery on the Apple Watch. So this one will give you more battery backup, and the display quality is also not that great compared to Apple Watch, but it is good. It is an OLED display, which is also good to look at in terms of viewing angles, and it gives you a lot more features. So this is all we have as far as the quick comparison. This is actually for the masses, and this is for the people who would like to invest this much of money on this premium thing. That's all from us. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.